Have you ever generated a song that's perfect, but there's one guitar part that you don't like, or you just want to add a little saxophone solo to that thrash metal song? Well, hold on to your avocado, Mr. Johnny Bravo, because I'm going to show you how. This method does use Suno Studio, which you need the Premiere tier for, but even if you don't have Premiere, maybe you'll learn something you can take with you, or maybe this will help you convince yourself to get Premiere. I don't know. I'm not God. So once you have a song generated that you want to add or remove instruments from, just go to the song, go to the three dots, go to Open in Studio. And once we're here, we're just going to go to Extract Stems, and we're going to get all detected stems. And this is going to give us the bass, the guitar, the vocals, everything separated out into its own track. Once all the stems have been made, we're just going to go to Insert All to bring them all into the timeline. So now we've got bass by itself, drums, and the vocals. So let's say that you really like this bass sound, but you don't want it to play in the verse. So the way you would get rid of it is click anywhere in this audio file, and then use the keyboard shortcut Control E, and that will make a split. And now if you go up to the top or bottom corner, you can drag this so that it will no longer show up in that section. So this is basically like trimming. If we drag this all the way over here, you can hear now.
Out by the grassland, he takes his mark, white disc in his hand.
No bass. And we can always put it right back.
Out by the
But let's say you want to add an instrument. Let's go to the chorus.
ChillPanic throws.
Let's say you want like some more expressive synths to come in right whenever the chorus comes in with the bass. Go to the left and do add track. Just select the section where you want a singular instrument to come in, and then just decide which instrument you want. I'm going to go for a synth, and I'm just going to say big synth pad, spacey, synth background pads. And I'm going to change this back to V5 because in my experience, Suno Studio just works better with V5 than it does with V5.5. And I'm just going to leave all the advanced options the same and then hit create. And then Suno will generate a synth part that will be in key and in the BPM of your track.
ChillPanic throws. Keep your dogs away when the disco.
If there's anything else you want to know about Suno AI, let me know down in the comments, or I'm gonna steal your soup because I'm the soup stealer. This video is sponsored by the 10,000 Suno Prompts ebook written by ChillPanic. It comes with 200 genres, 50 prompts per genre, and a descriptor page for every genre.